Hello there, I'm your guide to the world of day trading with years of experience under my belt. Day trading isn't just my job, it's my passion, and through the highs and lows, one platform has been my constant companion. PLUS500. It's user-friendly, robust, and packed with features that make my day trading journey smoother and more profitable. PLUS500 is more than just a platform. It's a community of traders, a hub of information, and a tool that allows you to seize opportunities in the market. With its vast array of tradable instruments and a focus on customer security, PLUS500 has earned its place as one of my top picks for day trading. But don't just take my word for it. Join me on this journey as we delve into the ins and outs of day trading with PLUS500. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of day trading with PLUS500? Let's get started. Before we start, it's crucial to understand what day trading is. Quite simply, day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. The goal? To capitalize on small price movements in highly liquid markets. Day traders seek to end the day with no open positions, meaning everything is sold off by the close of trade. However, don't confuse day trading with investing. Investing involves holding on to assets for a longer period, often years, in hopes of realizing long-term growth. Swing trading, on the other hand, sits somewhere in between, with traders holding positions for days or weeks. Day trading is a different beast, requiring a unique set of skills, ranging from a keen understanding of markets to a high tolerance for risk. It's fast-paced, demanding, but can be rewarding for those who master the craft. Now that we've got the basics, let's move on to our platform of choice, PLUS500. Welcome to PLUS500, a dynamic trading platform built for traders of all levels. Renowned for its intuitive interface and robust feature set, PLUS500 has carved a niche as a preferred platform for day traders worldwide. It offers a vast array of tradable instruments, including stocks, forex, commodities, and indices, providing ample opportunities for diversification and risk management. PLUS500's standout feature is its advanced yet user-friendly trading tools. With real-time price alerts, detailed market insights, and sophisticated charting tools, it empowers traders to make informed decisions swiftly and efficiently. It also boasts a competitive spread offering and leverages up to 30 times, enabling traders to maximize their potential returns. Furthermore, PLUS500's commitment to security and transparency is second to none. It is fully regulated by several global authorities, ensuring that your investments are safe and your trading experience is fair. Next, we'll go through the steps of setting up your PLUS500 account. Creating an account on PLUS500 is straightforward. Let's walk through it together. Start by visiting the PLUS500 website or downloading the mobile app. Click or tap on Start Trading to initiate the process. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your account. This step is crucial as it ensures the security and integrity of your trading activities. You'll need to provide a proof of identity, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. It's a simple process designed to keep your investments safe. After verification, you'll be able to fund your account and start exploring the world of day trading. PLUS500 takes pride in its robust security measures, providing you with a secure platform to conduct your trades. With your account set up, let's explore the PLUS500 trading interface. PLUS500's interface is designed for ease of use and efficiency. It's a breeze to navigate with everything you need at your fingertips. Let's start with the Trade Dashboard, your command center for day trading. It displays real-time market data, allowing you to monitor price movements of your chosen instruments. Next, we have the charting tools, an essential part of any trader's arsenal. PLUS500 offers a variety of chart types and technical indicators to help you analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. Then there's the watchlist feature. This tool allows you to create custom lists of instruments you're interested in, keeping them only a click away for easy monitoring. Finally, don't forget the Open Positions tab. This is where you can track your active trades, watching them unfold in real time. Remember, knowledge is power. The more familiar you are with the PLUS500 platform, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the fast-paced world of day trading. Once you're familiar with the platform, it's time to delve into risk management strategies. Risk management is a crucial aspect of successful day trading. It's what separates the pros from the novices. It's the safety net that keeps your capital from plummeting when a trade doesn't go as planned. Just as a tightrope walker wouldn't brave a high wire without a safety net, a day trader shouldn't dive into the market without a solid risk management strategy. PLUS500 offers tools designed to help you implement this strategy, such as stop loss and take profit orders. Stop loss orders are your best friends in day trading. They automatically sell your position when the price drops to a certain level, preventing further losses. On the flip side, take profit orders lock in your gains by selling when the price reaches a predetermined level. These tools are like automatic pilots, steering your trades even when you're not watching. They're your 24/7 guardians, protecting your capital from the unpredictable swings of the market. Now that you're equipped with risk management strategies, let's talk about choosing tradable instruments. PLUS500 offers a wide array of financial instruments for trading. From stocks and commodities to indices and cryptocurrencies, you're spoiled for choice. But how do you select the best instruments for day trading? First, consider liquidity. You want to trade instruments that have enough volume to get in and out of positions quickly. Major stock indices, popular cryptocurrencies, and widely traded commodities often fit the bill. Next, think about volatility. Day trading thrives on price movements. Instruments that are too stable won't provide many opportunities, but those that are too volatile may carry excessive risk. Lastly, keep an eye on transaction costs. Some instruments may have higher spreads or overnight fees, which can eat into your profits. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. What works for one trader might not work for another. It's all about finding a balance that suits your trading style and risk tolerance. Next, we'll introduce you to the basics of technical analysis. Technical analysis is a key component of day trading. It's the practice of interpreting historical price patterns to predict future market movements. In the world of day trading, technical analysis is like your compass, guiding your decisions based on the trends and patterns you see on the charts. On PLUS500, you have a wide array of technical analysis tools at your disposal. For starters, you have price charts that come in different formats: line, bar, and candlestick, each providing unique insights into market behavior. Then you have indicators like moving averages, which help smooth out price data to identify the trend direction. PLUS500 also offers tools for identifying support and resistance levels, key price points where the asset's price tends to bounce back. And let's not forget about volume indicators, which give you an idea of the strength behind a price move. Mastering these tools can give you an edge in the fast-paced world of day trading. Now let's move on to fundamental analysis on PLUS500. Fundamental analysis provides valuable insights for day trading. It's a method that involves evaluating an asset's intrinsic value by examining related economic and financial factors. In the context of day trading, it's about understanding how market news, economic indicators, and financial data can influence the price of a tradable instrument. Let's dive into PLUS500. The platform provides a rich array of resources for fundamental analysis. You can access real-time financial news directly on the platform, keeping you abreast of market developments as they happen. PLUS500 also offers economic indicators, which are crucial for understanding the larger economic landscape that affects asset prices. These include interest rates, employment figures, and GDP reports, among others. Coupled with technical analysis, fundamental analysis can help you make more informed trading decisions. It's all about getting a holistic view of the market, and PLUS500 provides the tools to do just that. With all these tools at your disposal, you're ready to start day trading on PLUS500. We've covered a lot of ground today, and you're well on your way to becoming a successful day trader. We began by understanding day trading, explored the unique features of PLUS500, and walked you through setting up an account. We delved into the platform's interface, risk management strategies, and the selection of tradable instruments. We also touched upon the basics of technical and fundamental analysis, offering practical tips along the way. The importance of demo trading, account funding, withdrawals, real-time trade monitoring, and even tax implications were all addressed. Remember, this is just the start of your journey. The world of day trading is vast and ever-evolving, and PLUS500 offers the right tools to navigate it successfully. So, take these insights, start practicing, and embrace the learning curve. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe for more day trading insights. Remember, continuous learning and practice are key in day trading. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.